How to install iOS 16 on iPhone 7 and 7 Plus. Unfortunately, you cannot officially install iOS 16 on iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. Why not? Apple dropped support for the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus after iOS 15. That means the latest version available for iPhone 7 and 7 Plus is iOS 15.7.9. iOS 16 and above require at least an iPhone 8 or newer. So, if you ask, can I bypass it or use a custom install? Then even that is not possible. There is no jailbreak that allows iOS 16 to run on iPhone 7. Downgrades or official upgrades won't work for newer iOS versions. So that is it. If your iPhone 7 is running slow or lagging, then you can simply optimize your iOS 15 for performance. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.